All right. Let's talk about how you can work with form. Like a form, you need to enter somebody's name. Let me take for example that you want to enter form. You can just say, let's say, first name. Let's say first name. Sorry, and you have last name. Let's just use these two, and then maybe the person have let's say reg number. Let me use reg number, and let's also talk about phone number. Let me use this for this thing. So now this is a form you're supposed to enter, and you can see each of them are in, and then you have the name, range number, and phone number, and this is where you want to work on it. So what do you need to do? First name, you need to type Inslee. Then last name, you need to type Chuku. My range number, you need to type something, and then phone number, you also need to type phone number. So now how do you work with form with this? So this is what you have, and it means that at every point in time you have to be doing this. Now form helps you get all these things done. How? Let me show you. Now when you have this you are working on, you can decide to make it look better. Let me go to the table and make it so I can press Ctrl T. That is shortcut for creating a table. You can say my table has header, and then this automatically gives you into this. Now let me remove this because I selected more than that. So what you can see now, I have first name, last name, range number, and I also have a phone number. Now how do you get form? Now the way you can get form done is you select all of them. You can go to form if you have, if not, go to search here and type form, and you can see the form here, the first one, action. Click on it. So this will automatically pick up all the table, like the title of the column, as you can see, first name, last name, range number, and phone number. So now this, if I press O, like if I go to this and then go to the first name, I can type in my first name is Kensley, and then last name is Chuku. Then you see it comes in here, range number. Let me type anything now. That's my range number, and let me go to phone number. I can type my phone number as it is. When you click new, it will add it up. You do the same thing for the next person. You do the same thing, and when you finish, you add it up. Do the rest of the thing. You click on me. So with this, you'll be able to fill up the form as it is. So I'll be stopping here.